guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fun with Nijwa. So today I'll be showing how to make coffee in a coffee maker. So first we are going to add normal water. So now we have to put coffee into the coffee cup and then you have to smash it with that spoon, and then we have to put it and tighten it. So yeah. So now there are two buttons, and the right one is for heating the milk and the left one is for making the coffee. So yeah guys. So if you want, you can put sugar. You have to put it before heating the milk. So yeah guys, now after you heat the milk, you are going to make the coffee. So you're going to off and then put it to the left, and now the coffee is also being done. And now after it, the coffee is also done, you have to put the coffee and then you have to put the milk. So yeah guys. So let's try it guys. It's so tasty guys, you all have to try it. It's really tasty and really easy to make. So yeah guys. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Anyways, bye guys.